guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see review of Godrej Shikakai hair soap. But if you are new to this channel, be part of our YouTube family and do subscribe to our channel. So without wasting any time, let's start. So this soap is a product of Godrej and it's made of Shikakai, Amla and Bhringraj. You will be able to see picture of Amla, Shikakai and Bhringraj on the packaging. So according to them, you will get benefit of Amla, Shikakai and Bhringraj by using one soap only. Even you will able to see picture of one lady which is having thick hair. Now let's speak about the rare side of the packaging. Here they have given a separate picture of each herb which they have used in this soap. Shikakai. We all know that it's a natural cleanser that keeps our scalp healthy and clean. It fights against dandruff and gives you stronger, thicker hair. It also removes hair lice from your hair. Second one is Amla. It adds natural shine to your hair for well-conditioned look. It stimulates hair growth. If you are suffering from hair loss, then you should start consuming Amla or you can apply Amla to your hair. Bhringraj. It nourishes your hair from the roots and promotes hair growth. It also makes your hair lustrous. It cures baldness. If you have scalp infection, then this herb clears that also. You will able to see the cost of this product, that is rupees 22. Now let's see how to use. You have to rinse your hair thoroughly with water. Apply this soap to your hair. Leave it for 1 or 2 minutes and then rinse it off with normal water. Now I am going to read out the list of ingredients which they have used in this soap. Sodium Palmate, Sodium Palm Kernelate, Water, Sodium C1416, Olefin, Sulfonate, Perfume, Polyquaternium 7, Sodium Chloride, Glycerine, Disodium EDTA, Shikakai Extract, Amla Extract, Bhringraj Extract, Titanium Dioxide, BHT, Citric Acid. These are the list of ingredients which they have mentioned in the products. They have even given manufacturer's detail. I'll mention the details in the description box below. Now I'm going to tell you what happened to my hair when I started using this soap. So using this for my hair, it has really made my hair silky. But still I'm facing hair fall issue. When I oiled my hair after applying this soap multiple times also, I was unable to remove oil from my hair. If you want, you can give it a try to this soap. You will able to find this soap to any medical store. One more thing, the products which might work for me may not work for you. Do let me know which product review you want to see in my channel. Now I'm going to show you how it looks from inside. This is how this soap looks from inside. Do let me know which product review you want to see on my channel, and for that you have to comment down. Last but not the least, I am not against any brand or in favor of any brand. It's my personal opinion about the products which I am sharing with you. That's all in this video. Thank you.